folks, thanks for joining me on this gorgeous day here in Junction City. My name is Emilie.McKennon and I am with Guaranty RV. We are located right off of the Highway 99 between Corvallis and Eugene here in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to give you a closer look, a walkthrough of the 26D floor plan of this Odyssey Entegra. Let's go on inside and take a quick look. This is an absolutely beautiful coach. I love this floor plan. You've got both the sofa for seating, which does come out into a bed if you need it for extra sleeping. This is also a really great feature. This is the Dream Dinette. It goes down very easily into a bed when you need it to. Pulls up, as you can see, as a little dinette with some cup holders. You got your safety belts here. Big, beautiful window to let in that extra sunlight, and just a beautiful amount of space. This is a nice full wall slide here, and I love the angled kitchen. Gives you a little bit more counter space here to work with. You've got a nice stainless steel sink, tons of storage in the kitchen. Underneath the sink, you got all your drawers. You got everything you need. This is a nice deep drawer here for some deeper kitchen equipment. Beautiful chrome stainless steel gas oven or gas stove. You've got a convection microwave oven up here. Beautiful, nice little backsplash. Your RV Norcold refrigerator here to store all of your favorite camping foods and beverages. Really nice amount of storage space here. This closet goes all the way back. It's nice and wide. Plus you've got these huge drawers to use as well for all of your clothes to take with you camping, any extra equipment, blankets. Then you've got a nice queen size bed. This bed is on a slide system. So what you're gonna do is just gently fold up the mattress. You can keep your bed made, you can keep all the sheets on, and that slide is just gonna come right over the bed frame here. And then when you're camping, you can just set it up. You got the windows you can open. Beautiful amount of sunlight that lets in. Let's check out this bathroom. It is a full 3-piece bathroom. Nice amount of walking space. Nice, beautiful glass shower door, little stainless steel sink, tons of storage, nice big medicine cabinet. I love it. Very good. Everything for your camping needs. You've got even more storage here behind the bathroom door. Plus you do have this nice privacy curtain. And this is a Class C, so of course you're going to have your bunk over the cab here. This is great if you got kiddos, especially this one. Look at the beautiful, huge window that they get to stare out at the stars. You know, and just, I remember being a kid and my grandparents had a Class C, and that was probably the best thing about it, was hanging out up here with my brothers and just looking out at the stars. They had a cool little ceiling window too. So that's a really nice feature that I like. You also have a television that is on a pulley here, so you can pull that out and angle it. You've got some USB ports here on the other side. Everyone's just plugging in their USB ports and stuff right into the walls these days, so they've got those conveniently located for you, plus some storage bins all around. We do have a nice automatic awning on this one, so it's very easy to set up. Get to your campsite, put the awning out, and get ready to go and have a good time. You do have an outdoor TV here, so again, if you're looking to entertain outside, maybe watch some games outside, this is a great coach to do that in. You've got your speakers, extra storage bins here. You've got a nice big storage bay here with a nice metal interior. That makes it very, very easy to keep clean, and you can just throw all of your heavy-duty equipment in there and not ruin, you know, more of a wood interior like some of them have. You've got a nice full ladder to access the roof. Beautiful frameless windows. You have your backup camera. This Odyssey has a outdoor shower. So again, if you're camping with kiddos, kids, grandkids, or furry friends, you can wash off their feet if you're at the beach or just been playing around in the campsite. Gas tank, this is where you're going to fill up your water. And again, just a beautiful, beautiful coach. You got a full slide awning there as well, slide topper. Hey, if you want to see this coach in person, come test drive it. It's a great drive. My name is Emilie.McKennon. I'm here at Guaranty RV. Number that I can be reached at is 541-998-1148. My extension is 2519. And until I see you, enjoy the road.